Today's recipe is Andhra special. Now many of you have requested Andhra recipes and I've decided to show this to you guys. This is Dondakaya Vepudu, that is Ivy Gourd fry. Let's get started and check out the recipe. I'm going to make a masala powder that goes with the Ivy Gourd fry. For this, take quarter cup of fresh coconut. Now preferably if you have dry coconut, that's good. If you don't have dry coconut, you can use fresh coconut and roast it a bit. So I've taken half cup of freshly grated coconut. So I'm just going to roast this. As the coconut is getting roasted, add about 5 to 6 red chilies. Turn off the stove, cool the mixture. The roasted coconut and red chilies. To this add a few cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of roasted Chana dal. Grind everything to a nice coarse powder. Take a nice white pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. First I'm going to temper a few ingredients. 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 red chilies. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add half teaspoon of Asafoetida Powder, a few curry leaves. I have about 250 grams of Ivy Gourd. Wash them and slice them nice and thin. Add the sliced Ivy Gourd pieces onto the pan. Make sure you mix the vegetable at intervals because you want it to cook through, and you need to fry the vegetable till it's a nice golden brown color. When the vegetable is about 1/4 cooked, add salt. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. So the vegetable is turned to a lovely golden brown color, it's almost brown. So make sure you fry the vegetable nicely before adding all the masala powder. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything. So finally I'm going to add the masala powder. So if you need more, you can add more. The freshly ground masala powder smells fantastic. It gives a very nice fresh aroma as we've added garlic. Make sure you make this masala powder fresh while cooking the vegetable. You can check for seasoning at this point and you can see it's roasted very nicely. It's got a lovely brown color and a nice crunch to it. You can finish off the Dondakaya fry with some nice roasted peanuts. Take a pan, pour a little oil. So I'm going to roast a quarter cup of peanuts. Roast the peanuts till they are nice and crunchy. Season it with some salt and chili powder. Turn off the stove, serve it hot. So as you can see, this Dondakaya Vepudu is so tempting. You can enjoy this with some nice hot sambar or rasam and with a little ghee by the side. Do try and enjoy this Andhra special Dondakaya fry. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.